So we had a question regarding the shelves in the refrigerator, and if you've never worked with these, I can see how it's sort of confusing. If you don't know exactly how they go in and out, you might think you're going to break them. Okay, so basically the important thing to remember is that there are no clips. Anything that you have to do, these things are basically just friction based, for lack of a better word. So I'm going to go ahead and lift this thing out by just grabbing it and lifting up. Now, if you look at the side, basically this little clip thingy right here kind of goes behind the thing in here and just kind of sits back behind it when you're putting it in. And it's purely friction. You push it in, you slide it out. That's all there is to it. Go over and just gently guide it down and kind of push it into place. And you can see on the side where the white piece is kind of flush to the clear plastic. That's when you know it's all the way down. That's basically it. Like I said, the worst part is when you're pulling and it doesn't move, you're like, well, crap, do I need to push something? No, it literally is just gently doing it. If you do it too much on one side or if you do too much of an angle, you probably can break these things. They are a little bit fragile feeling. And that is basically it. I hope that was exactly what you were looking for when you were asking the question about how those shelves work. If not, let us know in the comments. And if any other questions come up, feel free to dump them. I will answer or attempt to answer anything you can ask. We'll talk to you later. Bye.